snorkeling?
Yeah. Pretty much swimming.
Right guys, so basically we are ready for our next flight. It's now just past 6. Suitcases are packed. We're about to have like tea, so yeah. And then we're gonna head off. Okay now. Do you want to drink beer? Na lejo. What up guys, we've landed in New Zealand. So basically we just freshened up, had some food, just changed into trackies on the top. We're gonna go out, so we're not gonna dress up, we're just gonna go, right?
Because we're going to bowling.
But yeah, we're going to like a leisure centre, so it's gonna go bowling, go ice skating, stuff like that. So yes, and it's like 7:30 now, nearly.
Oh yeah.
So we should go, but yeah, I'll keep you updated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Something wrong. Something wrong.
No, perfectly fine.
Where's the 13 for you? Hold your knee.